Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this step-by-step DIY, we're going to be swapping out the M5 emblem on the back of my 2016 BMW M5 with the F91 competition that comes in black. Now, I do have a competition car, so I wanted to go with the F90 style since they started adding this, and it's actually a black emblem. So on my Silverstone metallic car, it's a perfect combination. Now, the previous owner did do an M5 black emblem, but it's not the exact same one that I was wanting. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get this video started and let's swap this one on. All right, once you got it all taped off, just did some Goo Gone up above and through the letters so that way it can start kind of loosening up, and it's starting to come apart a little bit. Now I'm going to take my heat gun and we're just going to apply some moderate heat to it. Where the tape's getting a little warm, but it's not bad. It's coming right off. All right, that one's off. See how this one's looking. I'm just prying underneath here. Use a trim tool. I'm just trying to get enough so I can get my finger underneath it. All right, this one needs a little bit more. Do some more heat. Put in the screwdriver, not against the paint, but just to help pry it. There we go. Take some more heat. Just kind of soften this up a little bit. Go. So before we're putting the new badge on, go ahead and make sure any and all residue is off of this as far as any kind of adhesive. It's looking pretty good because it all came off really clean. All right, now you want to take a new microfiber towel. I'll take some rubbing alcohol and we're going to clean off the paint right here. Once that's good, we're going to take our F90 M5 competition set here from IND and go ahead and put the M on first. So let's go ahead and get the M on. It's going to go in the exact same spot. Just to make sure it's good, I'm gonna get a level. All right, let's make sure that it's actually leveled. Now I'm just gonna loosely put that on there because what I need to do now is make sure I gotta make sure the competition lines up. Now we'll take our competition badge, and they have to line up exactly with the M and the 5. So let's make sure we get this right. And it's right below. Oh, that looks pretty right on. Looks good. All right, now let's take a look at it. Make sure it is good. It looks so much better than what it was on there. So here's the previous owner one, which is like this really, really cheap M logo versus an actual genuine BMW part, which is actually, as you can tell, smaller than what it should be, theoretically, and then it's not gloss black. All right, well that sums up the video for today, installing the F90 M5 competition emblems on my 2016 BMW M5 competition car. Quick, easy process, makes it look so much better than what the previous owner had on the car prior. So I just wanted to make that change because I figured that it would, you know, just look that much better. It's a much better emblem, of course, you know, being the gloss black and everything, to say the least. So I bought the emblem through IND distribution, and it was really the best price that I found compared to other companies out there. So great quality, I guess, from that standpoint. And everything that I used in this video, I'm gonna list down in the description box below so you guys can check that out as well. Check out the other DIY videos that I have here on the channel, informational BMW videos on the E90, 335 platform, and of course the F10 M5 S63TU. Lots of good stuff to come here on the car that I'm having delivered here this week. So more videos to come as far as performance mods. Great stuff on the horizon for the channel and for both cars that you see here out behind me. So big thumbs up on today's video. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Guys, hopefully you enjoy your weekend that you're having coming up, and more good stuff to come. As always, see you next time.